this is a rare sight. Blue jay and a cardinal. Huh. Rare sight. A cardinal and a blue jay. How cool is that? He was sitting on top of the turtle. It's a rainy day here in the Adirondacks today. Wonder where his cardinal friend went. Okay, so it's raining here today in the Adirondacks. The mushrooms were bought, but everything else came from our garden. It's quite the haul today. Just from going out in the backyard and looking for slug control. These are pink ox hearts. Got 3 cucumbers, 3 zucchini. 2 of these we picked the day before yesterday, and this one we picked today. But yeah, there's a lot of potential here. I actually didn't check the green beans. The green beans and the pea pods were actually picked the same day as these 2. This cherry tomato is huge. This one come from the big husky cherry tomato plant. That one's pretty big. All right. Lots of potential here. Creamy cucumber salad, cucumber and blackberries, just slices of cucumber, fried zucchini, zucchini and sauce. Add all this to a soup, this right here. Put it with chicken, put it with beef, whatever, pasta, rice. There's just a lot of meal potential right here. And I fit this all in my shirt. I had my shirt way out like this. Pretty exciting, feels good. This is cornbread from yesterday's barbecue. And then we come home with salad and barbecued ribs. I think that's some meal potential. She's finally out. We shortened the cable down to 1 cable until we get the fence done. She's got a little bit of the black dried blood on her face, but it honestly looks like the swelling. Yeah, the swelling's definitely better. Her eye's better. Today's day 2 after the incident. Today's Tuesday. The incident happened Sunday night. And I'm just documenting this. There's the scrapes on her head where the dog had Bella had Dani's head in her mouth. So there's scrapes on top. There's bites there. And then she's got scrapes on her bottom of her neck. But other than that, let me see her ear. Is there something in her ear? Oh, there's something in that ear. I'll have to look at that better. And then there's on top of this ear. So I don't know what's. But other than that, she looks pretty good. Dani, come on, go potty. So she's This is day 2. Yesterday she went out once because it was raining. So I'm hoping that she goes and does her business today. I got Jim Fitzgerald coming Thursday or Friday to start working with her with the trauma from the fight. Alright, so there's this robin that's been hanging out in that one spot for a really long time. And then they got Miss Dani up here just staring at the robin. She wanted to come out. She's already been down to go potty, so I just have her on the porch. This robin's just really weird. It rained all day yesterday, pouring, pounding rain. So he's probably digging up grubs and whatnot. He's cute. Just taking some time with Miss Dani, watching the bird. Had something crawling on my foot, so I'm sorry that the camera went down. Feels good just to kind of watch a bird for half a minute, you know? Yeah, I would bet on he's after grubs. Worms. Anything else that comes with the pounding rains up to the surface. Looks like he's eating good. It's a young robin. Now he looks like he's collecting stuff, maybe for a nest, or to bring back to the nest for babies, who knows. Hi, baby. So her face is less swollen today, and her eye looks better. We still do need to get the dried black blood off from her side of her face, but her top of her head looks good. Underneath looks good. So we just need those few spots to clear up. So now we have a blue jay. It's funny, since we put this fence up, we've got more birds than usual hanging out, that's all. I think with a towel we could probably get the rest of it off with a towel and some ointment, but there's punctures. There marks on her head, her ear. You can't go in, you're a wet dog. Yeah, you're a wet dog. We got most of it. There is one underneath too, I think. Can't see that good. Hey, Dani. Everyone's asking about you. So, as you guys can see, she's a lot less swollen. She's tired. Tired. Laying with Daddy. I spent the night building her fence after Bigfoot got out of work. We took a walk in the yard, and Dani had a spa day with a hose out back on her leash, and Allie put triple antibiotic on her sores, and after cleaning her up, she did find a couple of more on her neck. She's been energetic all day, right? Mm-hmm. Yeah. So her eye looks a lot better too, but it's still red. But on the bottom part, at least it's not like the end part is not as popped out and red as it was.
It's a lot of trauma.
It is. It is a lot of trauma. But we got a guy coming over that we know on Thursday or Friday to work with her for the trauma. And this is what he does, so he'll work with her. And, well, how rude. Where are you going? She's been doing that. Stretch. Where are we going? Where are we going? Just making sure it's still there. You good? Okay. Oh, I know what she wants me to tell you guys. She wants me to tell you guys how she had roast beef and green beans last night, and how today she had chicken noodle soup with carrots. I got you. I got you. Come on, let's go back and lay down. Come on. Come on. You need to go out again? Okay. So we covered with that goat/dog grade wire, and so far we went from that post all the way around, and then we need a gate, and then tomorrow we'll do that, and we're gonna close that off for now, so it's one less gate we have to worry about right now. But anyway, thank you all for your loving prayers and all of your care about Dani and us. We're doing okay. We're just kind of waiting to hear what we gotta do next. Love you all, and again, keep praying and pray for Bella as well.